Hello, welcome back to a new review. This time I will unbox the brand new MODECOM Oberion Pro Silent computer case. This is made in Poland, Europe. So let's see what you've got inside. I bought it because it is my goal to create my system as silent as possible. So this was one of the cases that I found on the internet. Unfortunately, I didn't find reviews about it. So let's see what I've got. It doesn't have a plexiglass or a tempered glass panel. It is not a very large case. I didn't want to buy one. Initially I was looking for a micro-ATX computer case, but I thought that in the future, if I want to upgrade my graphic card, it would be quite difficult to find the performant graphics card with small form factor. So I choose this case. Okay, so let's see what we've got inside. The back panel, it's painted black, very nice. So let's open the case. Okay, the side panel. The side panel is quite heavy. I wasn't expecting that. And it has sound absorbing material inside. Nice. This is the user manual. The other panel. The same story here, sound absorbing material, quite thick, I'd say 1 millimeter thick, very heavy side panel. Okay, let's see what we got here. Oh, also on the back side we have a magnetic dust filter, very nice. Let's see how much space do we have here. 2 millimeters. Which is very nice. Also here down we have 2 supports for hard drives, SATA and 3.5 millimeters standard drive. In the front, this is nice. We have a cover for power supply cables, very nice indeed. One rear fan and other 2 fans here in front of the cam. with this one in the back, it should provide a good airflow inside the case. Here we have some rubber material that will help us with cable management. We have the possibility to mount a DVD unit or Blu-ray unit. Here we have the front panel connectors, USB 3 connector, one USB 2.0 connector, the HD audio connector, the reset button switch and hard disk LED connector. Also have the power switch connector and the power LED connectors. In the front panel, as you can see, we have two USB 3.0 and two USB 2.0, the mic jack, the headphone jack, reset button, power LED and power button. If you have any question, please subscribe and leave a comment in the comment section. Till next time, take care of you. Bye.